My dear viewers, so I'm looking for bids to replace this on-off switch. It's actually something that slides up and down, but this broke off. I imagine I could probably do it myself by just watching a video on YouTube and putting the right colored wires in the right places. But for insurance purposes, and I feel safer having an electrician or a handyman do it, so I'm looking for bids to do this. I know this is a small job. I, naturally don't think someone from the Upper Peninsula is going to drive down here to do this, but looking for bids to replace this thing here. It would be nice if it includes the price of whatever you call this itself, and if you could even get it yourself. To be honest, every time I go to Home Depot and I tell them an electrician or a plumber wants me to get X, the people who work there usually look at me like I have two heads, and what I want is impossible. So looking for a price to get this thing replaced. Want the price to include all the parts. Would be nice if you could get the part as well and just add it to the bill. So that's what I'm looking for.